Wow, we got one heck of a big windstorm here right now. There's a storm going through over there. It's going to cause some snow, maybe towards Spence's Bridge, but yeah, we got dust flying like crazy here. Wow. I just seen 3 huge dust clouds go by. Why do we need a street sweeper when we got the wind? Well, I'm still doing the cleanup. So far so good. There's quite a bit in there, and that's from that last half bucket of the stuff that hadn't been gone through. Now I'm running the stuff that has been gone through once, and as you can see, there's not a lot of gold in that. There's a little bit that's underneath that center portion that won't clear out. That's why I do it in the pan after. But a couple odd little flakes. But this is the stuff that's been gone through once already, and I'm finding very little in it. So I'll be done this job soon. Well, while it's windy and having that bad windstorm outside and there's that storm coming through, I'm going to sit inside and feed the bull. People, keep your pans wet and your shovels dirty.